Hello and Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel BP Shine. I hope you all are fine. I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. So let's start today's video. So this video is an outstanding collection of different types of diamond necklaces. Okay, these designs are not created by me or not linked to me, but these designs are created by different amazing famous designers. So these are designer diamond necklaces available on Etsy. If you want to buy, then take the screenshot of your favorite one and then scan this design, and you can approach the designer so you can easily buy from that designer. Okay, let's start to the detailing of the topic. In this video, I will describe different types of design inspiration, feature design, benefits, and the beauty, and also the history of diamond necklaces. So you get a lot of information from that video. Okay, let's start. Diamonds have long been regarded as a symbol of elegance, luxury, and timeless beauty. As fashion trends continue to evolve, the demand for innovative and breathtaking diamond necklace designs grows. Whether it's for a special occasion, a gift, or to make a statement, diamond necklaces remain a sought after choice. In 2024, designers are pushing the boundaries of creativity, blending tradition with modern elements to create inspiring new designs that captivate the imagination. Below are some exciting new design ideas and inspiration for diamond necklace that brings a fresh perspective to this classic piece of jewelry. Okay, now move to the types of trending diamond necklaces. So, first one is the floating diamond necklace. Floating diamond necklaces have gained popularity for their contemporary ethereal design. In these necklaces, diamonds are suspended from an invisible thread or like a satin, creating the illusion that the stones are floating on the wearer's skin. This design works particularly well with smaller diamonds arranged in a pattern or even with a single large stone as the centerpiece. The subtle, graceful look makes these necklaces perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Floating diamonds can be arranged in intricate patterns or delicate chains for a light, airy feel. Okay, now move to the second most important type, which is abstract and geometric designs. In 2024, diamond necklaces are embracing modern art and geometric forms. Designers are experimenting with abstract shapes, asymmetry, and geometric patterns, giving necklaces a contemporary and artistic twist. Triangles, hexagons, and diamond shapes arranged in a creative, non traditional settings create a striking effect. These designs are perfect for those who want to break away from conventional jewelry and opt for something more unconventional and bold. The interplay of clean lines and sparkling diamonds offers a fresh approach to luxury. Third type is nature inspired necklaces. Nature has always been a rich source of inspiration in jewelry design, and in the realm of diamond necklaces, natural themes continue to shine. Designers are incorporating motifs such as flowers, leaves, vines, and animals into diamond necklaces. For example, a necklace with diamonds arranged to mimic the petals of a flower or the leaves of a offers a whimsical, beautiful vibe. These designs offer involve intricate craftsmanship and can showcase a variety of stone cuts and colors. The fusion of diamonds with natural shapes not only creates visually stunning pieces but also adds layers of symbolic meaning, representing growth, beauty, and connection to nature. These are basically for nature lover people. Next one is layer and multi-chain necklaces. Layering is a trendy and versatile approach to diamond necklaces in 2024. Multi-chain designs where several diamond necklaces of varying lengths and styles are worn together create a chic personalized look. Each chain can feature different types of diamond cuts, from round, brilliant to princess cuts, or even include other gemstones to add color and depth. This style allows the wearer to express their personality by mixing and matching diamond types, sizes, and chain designs. Layered necklaces create a sense of movement and dimension, making them perfect for both day to day wear and more formal events. Now move to the most important type, which is minimalist diamond necklaces. Mostly people like these type of diamonds because they want a very beautiful, simple, and aesthetic look. Minimalism continues to be a popular trend in jewelry, and diamond necklaces are no exception. A simple solitaire diamond pendant or a delicate bar necklace featuring a few small diamonds can be a subtle yet powerful addition to an outfit. The minimalist approach focuses on clean lines, fine detailing, and simplicity, which lets the beauty of the diamond shine through without distraction. These necklaces are perfect for daily wear or for those who prefer understated luxury. The simplicity allows for the necklace to be worn with both casual and formal attire, making it a versatile piece. Now, last one is the personalized necklaces. In recent years, personalized jewelry has gained immense popularity, and diamond necklaces are being designed with a more individualistic touch. Customizable diamond necklaces, which feature initials, birthstones, or meaningful symbols, allow the wearer to create a piece that holds deep personal significance. Now discuss the last type, which is convertible and multifunctional diamond necklaces. Many designers are embracing versatility in their diamond necklaces. Convertible designs allows a wearer to modify their necklaces based on their needs or moods. A necklace that can be worn as a choker or extended into a longer chain or one that can transform into a bracelet offers practical luxury. These multifunctional pieces appeal to individuals who love the idea of getting multiple looks from a single piece of jewelry, allowing them to express their style in different ways. So these are the most common and important types. I hope you like my information and my video. If you like the design, then you can create your own imaginative pieces. Thanks for watching.